Good morning, guys. Today is day 4 in Georgia. So, with this, we come to the end of the trip because today it's gonna be the last day, and tomorrow we will be ending this trip. So, आज का plan city tour. We'll buy some stuffs for home as a memory, and उसके पहले breakfast. We are at the KTW wine shop. This is a vineyard plus a shop where the wine is been made. This is a local wine in Georgia. As you can see behind me is the place, and this is how it looks. Hi.
Okay, wait maximum 5 minutes and let's go over.
I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. The memory of you just come running back.
Saudi Arabia.
India. Saudi. Assalamualaikum.
Okay, I'll explain a little about our factory, okay? KTW, that's abbreviation, means Tahitian Traditional Wine Making. On the side, we got our alcohol. Company is doing wine, different types and different varieties. Okay, guys, now try a white dry wine. Dry, no tanniness inside, very soft, like a champagne without bubbles, but
I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. The memory of you just come running back. You just come running back. You just come running back.
The tour of the wine. It was pretty good enough. Unfortunately, I will not be able to comment on it because I am not alcoholic and I don't have any knowledge about wines and alcohol. So you guys can just take a knowledge of how the wines are made. I'm good in eating food. So as of now, I'm eating a hot bread and I'm leaving for my next city tour. So I'll see you all there. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. And you can see this beautiful church behind me. Now this is the place which is called as Lagadai's Park. This is a beautiful park over here
You are from India. You live?
in Doha, Qatar.
Ah, nice India, nice.
You just come running back.
So guys, we are here at our final destination for the day, which is called Mtsminda Park. Woo! Mtsminda Park.
Yo, that's the Sleeping Beauty.
No, not me.
The memory of you just come running back. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. The memory of you just come running back. You just come running back. Memory of you just come running back.
Hi guys, so this is Georgia. Right now 2 degrees Celsius, freezing, but we are enjoying it. The view is amazing.
Just split in two. I'm not broken.
Hamdaank the traveler.
I'm not broken. I'm just split in. The memory of you just come running back. You just come running back.
Alright guys, so with this we come to the end of the video, the end of the vacations and end of the evening.
Yes.
How was your day?
Amazing it was.
मन नहीं कर रहा है घर जाने के लिए, बट क्या करें, जाएंगे नहीं तो अगले डेस्टिनेशन पहुँच नहीं रहे. So with this guys, I'll take a leave. Thank you so much for making me a part of this video guys. I'll see you soon in my next vlog. Till then, आप लोगों को पता है, stay happy, dream big and love your traveler Khan. And before we go, very 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 important, don't trouble your mother guys. Stay happy.
Piva!
Come baby, come.
Can't say.
Come baby. क्या हो?